In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix inactive Google AdSense account. So firstly, go to your Google AdSense and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, if your account is inactive, as soon as you logged in, you will see a big message or status saying that your account is inactive, and then with followed by a link to reactivate it. So you can simply click on that link and start the reactivation process. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Now, in case if you don't see that what you can do is you can go on your Google AdSense here, go to your accounts page here. So click on these account settings here, click on accounts, and then hit on settings. Okay, and from settings you will see account information. If you click on it here, you will see account status. In your account status, you will see that your account is like active or not active. You'll see that, and then there will be a link there. You just have to click that link to reactivate, and then if required, submit your website details or your documents, your ID documents and everything again. And then Google, once you submitted it, Google will reanalyze it, and then they will activate the account for you. Okay, once activated, you will see that your account status will be like open, which means that your account has been activated only. And that's basically pretty much it is.